Hello everyone. My name is Jack. Today I will teach you how to choose a quality milling cutter. Choosing a high-quality milling cutter is a very important thing. This determines the beauty of your product. And the high-quality milling cutters are usually made by professional machines with very high precision and smooth surface. A quality milling cutter usually made of high-quality tungsten steel material. Wear-resistant and not easy-to-stick cutter. It's suitable for process copper, alloy, iron and steel. And chamfering at the bottom. High smoothness and high overall precision. Milling cutters are compatible with equipment such as engraving machines, precision carving machines, CNC machining machines. Precise edges at the front corners for faster cutting. Generally good material milling cutters are made of tungsten steel and have a high finish and long tool life. Their substrate is in a class of its own, resulting from exclusive treating processes that allow for vastly increased speed and feed rates. Although the T-slot milling cutter with inlaid alloy has a great advantage in terms of price, it has a huge disadvantage compared to the overall alloy, which is the accuracy problem. Since the cutting edge part is inlaid, there will inevitably be various errors. So if your workpiece or machinery T-slot requirements of very high precision, must use the overall alloy T-mill.